Each individual Trello cards can be shared in different ways. So there are some sharing settings that we can work with. So now let's take an example of the animatic scene 1.1 and let's see the sharing functions. So once I click on that, you can see that my card opens up, and over here on the bottom, you see the share function is right here. So if I were to click on share, what happens is that you get a series of sharing options, as you can see. So first one is print. So you want to print it out and share it with someone else. You can just use the print function, and what happens is that you get the printed version of the document right here, which you can save as PDF or print it out so that you can give it out as a hard copy, just like this. I'm just going to press cancel right here, and let's talk about the other share function. So if I were to go to share over here, and then there's another function called export JSON, that is JavaScript open notation. So if you want to embed this somewhere, you can use export JSON, and what happens is that the code is generated for you, which you can use. So unless you're very techie, you may not even know what this is. That is totally fine. So if you are techie and you want to use this, then you can use this code as well. So let me just get back onto the Trello board right here and work around with further sharing options. So over here, let's go again. And on the sharing option, you can see that the other option here is linked to this card right here. So the link depends on the privacy settings that you set right here. So in order for the public to be able to access this, you simply have to go and change from private to team if you want just the team members to access it, or you can go to public just like this, and you can see that you can make the board public as well, or change it to team level just like this. And what happens is that you can click over here and share that link, and only the team members will be able to access out the card information. Then you can go on to share option again. Let's see the other one. So here you can see that the log changed as I changed the permission of the entire Trello board. The other one is embed this card. So you got an HTML code which you can use to embed your card on your website or your blog or any online presence where HTML is supported. The other one right here is email for this card. So let me just copy this out and paste it here to show you how this actually looks like. So if I were to go over here and then paste this out, for example, let me just go around into share and go around to email card, press Ctrl C to copy and paste it out. You can see that this is simply a long email address. So if I were to go over here, till here is the front part of the email address at boards.trello.com. So what happens is that whenever someone emails to that particular email address, the conversation is here. So it is, if you want the members to do not see the content of your entire board, but you want to get them involved in a particular card conversation, then you can send that email address for them to communicate on, and all of the emails will appear over here in the activity section so that communication can take place. So that is something you can utilize over here as well. And these are the different sharing functions inside of a Trello card in Trello. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.